Good morning, Oishi. So you tell me, right or wrong? You will have to tell me that whether this statement is right or wrong. Air is not a matter. Is it right or wrong? Air is not a matter. Is it right or wrong? Quickly tell me anyone answer. You have raised your hand, right? So you tell the answer. Wrong. You are telling it is wrong, right? Okay. So according to you, air is a matter. Yes, because we have learned in the chapter that everything around us, whether it is air, it is water, chair, table, or even we are also matters. Everything around us is a matter. So air is also a matter. So the statement is wrong. Okay. Now, Ishi, you can lower your hand. Okay. Or else, because I have asked you one question. Okay, the next name I can see here. Afrina, unmute your device. Afrina, unmute your device.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute your device.
Yes.
Okay. So Afrina, you tell me, matter is made up of small particles called molecules. Is this statement right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
Right. So matters are made up of molecules. Okay. Next, Shirin Alam. Shirin, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Shirin, you tell me, liquid molecules can easily slide over one another. Is it right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
This is right. Yes. And this is why liquids can change their shape, right? Okay, very good. Now, Bohia Mondol. Bohia Mondol, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bohia, you tell me, gases have a definite shape and size. Is this statement right or wrong?
Ma'am, wrong.
This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because we know gases.
Yes. Because gas don't have a size and a shape.
Gases do not have any particular size and shape. Very good. Okay. Anubhav Khara, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Anubhav, you tell me, salt is a solvent. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Why it is wrong?
Because the solid substance dissolved liquid is called solid, but the liquid which solid dissolved in is called solvent.
Yes, that means solvent must be a liquid. And so salt is the solute, right? Salt is a solute. It is not a solvent, it is a solute. Okay, now let's see the answers that you have given are correct or not. All the answers are correct. Very good, everyone. Now, I'm again quickly showing you the answers. The students who are still writing it, write down the answer. The first one will be wrong. Second one will be right. Third one will be right. The fourth one will be wrong. And the fifth one will also be wrong. Now let's go to the next part of your exercise. Part B. Choose the correct answer. Trisha Bera. Trisha Bera, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
There are dash main states of matter, 4, 5 or 3.
Ma'am, 3.
Okay, let's check the answer is correct or not. Very good. That is correct answer. Can you tell me the names of the 3 states?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell it.
Ma'am, liquid, solid and gas.
Very good, very good. So the three states are solid, liquid, and gas. Solids are dash to touch, hard, smooth, or soft.
Hard.
Solids are hard to touch. Why solids are hard to touch? Because their molecules are very tightly packed with each other, right? Very good, Ankita. Your answer is absolutely correct answer.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ishika. Ishika, you tell me, in solids, the molecules are dash packed, very loosely, closely, or loosely.
Ma'am, closely.
It will be closely. Yes. Okay. Very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. And as I have right? Okay, very good. Correct answer. Sheikh Mohammed Sahim. Sahim, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahim, you tell me, when ice changes into water, it is called dash.
I'm melting. No, ma'am.
Okay, freezing means when water changes into ice, that is freezing, right? And condensation means when gas changes into liquid, that is called condensation. So the option is melting. Very good, Sahim. Your answer is absolutely correct answer. Mosim Sultana, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mosim, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mosim, can you tell me the solid substance that dissolves in liquid is called a dash, solution, solute, or solvent?
Solvent. Solution.
Into water, then the salt will be, it will be solute, right? Because the solid substance is solute. The liquid in which the solid gets dissolved, it is the solvent. And after mixing it together, what you get, that is called the solution. Okay, Mosim?
Yes.
So, right? Again, showing you all the answers. Everyone write down the answers. The first one will be, there are three main states of matter. Next one, solids are hard to touch. Then in solids, the molecules are very closely packed. When ice changes into water, it is called melting. Now the next part, give two examples of each. Give two examples of each. The students who have given the answers once, they cannot give the answer again. So they should not raise the hand, okay, for giving the answer. The students who have already given the answer once, they should not give the answer again. So they should not raise the hand. Okay, Sahim? Next, Raisa Zahin, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Raisa, you look at these options and you tell me tell me the example of any one solid matter from these options.
Chair.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me the example of another solid matter from these options that I am showing you.
Ma'am, table.
Okay. So you both have said chair and table. These are the examples of two solid matters. Now let's come to liquid. You and you tell me from these options, you tell me any one example of liquid.
Coffee.
So you are telling coffee. Okay. Let's see. Anjum Sahani, unmute your device. Anjum Sahani. And you tell me another example of liquid that is given here.
Ma'am, perfume.
Perfume is liquid. When you spray the perfume, where do you
No,
spray?
ma'am, but there is one is
Juice, right? Juice. So we drink them in the liquid state. Shampriti Khara, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Shampriti, you look at this list and you tell me an example of a gas.
Smoke.
Smoke. Okay. Rajpreet, you unmute your device. No, I'm not getting any reply. Farzana Alam, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Farzana, you tell me another example of gases.
Okay, ma'am. I tell. Smoke.
Smoke is already said by one of your friends. Which one is not said by your friends? Your friends haven't told yet. Which one? You find it out? All the boxes are filled. Two examples of solid, you can write chair and table. Two examples of liquids, you can write coffee and juice. Two examples of gases, you can write smoke and perfume. Now let's check the answers. Though it is showing incorrect here due to some technical problems, but these are the correct answers. Okay. but this is from the point of view from you're telling an example. Like you can tell like this, the solids, or you can see also the matters that gets dissolved into the solvent are called solutes. The matters that get dissolved into the solvent are called solutes. Okay. Now the next question is, what is a solvent? Shoikat Bera, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you define solvent, Shoikat? Tell us the definition of solvent.
Yes, ma'am. I can tell.
Yes.
The liquid in which solid dissolves is called solvent.
Very good. Very good. Absolutely correct answer. So the liquid Can you tell the answer, Farhan?
No, ma'am.
You cannot tell anything that will float on water. Okay, Swarnakshi is raising hand very high. Let's see what she is telling. Yes, Swarnakshi.
Ice
Okay, and
and
ice and anything that okay, Parijat can tell another example. So one example, one thing that will float on water is example. Yes, Parijat.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, thermocol.
Thermocol. Yes. One is ice, another is thermocol. Both will float on water. Very good. Now the question is two things that will sink in water. Rajpreet Dhara, unmute your device. Rajpreet Dhara, unmute your device. Yes, I'm sending you the same thing happening. I think there is some problem with your device, Rajpreet. Please check it and try to solve. Request to unmute. I can see you are talking. You are telling something, but I can't hear you. Okay, Afrina Khatun. Afrina, unmute your device. That will sink in water.
Ma'am, stone and nails.
Okay, stone and
Nails.
so if you throw a piece of stone into the water, what will happen? It will sink. And nails are also correct answer. They are also made up of iron, and iron is heavy. So if you throw it in that is heavy by its weight, it will sink into water, and anything that is light by weight, that will float on water. Okay, so in the next class, we will chapter, and tomorrow again I'm telling you, for the class test, your syllabus is the chapter 8 cloth. Okay.